It's an ex-police motorcycle. It's a 1974 Commando Interstate, and it was used in Chertsey Police Traffic Division in the Surrey Police between 1974 and 1978. I recently found this out. Someone recognised the registration plate in a local bike club. I bought the bike. It was an eBay find last October in 2018, and it's taken me 8 weeks to get it up and running and fit for the road. Had 4 orange boxes full up with all the rusty, dirty ex-police bike parts, and I eBayed all of those, and I used the money to buy all the shiny parts for the bike. So now it looks a bit like what's called an S-type with high-level exhaust, and they're not reproduction, they're originals from 1970. A friend of mine in the Norton Owners Club was good enough to sell them to me a couple of months ago, because I had low road pipes on it, but it looks so much better with a high pipe. The other main feature about the bike is the aluminium tank. This was manufactured in Wales by a small company there called Tab Classic 2, and they hand beat and roll these tanks. They're a little bit more money as a consequence, but they really finished the bike off, and they fit the bike lovely, and they did a fantastic job, and I'm really pleased with that.